Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So the other day I made these very delicious and tender meatballs and it was so good I had to share a recipe on this channel. So come along, let's get into this. No long talks. The first thing I'm going to do is soak some breadcrumbs with whole milk, and this is what is going to keep the meatballs tender and to prevent it from drying up. Next, I'll be measuring out the spices I'll be using for this recipe. First, I have some cayenne pepper and now some paprika, some onion powder, some powdered ginger, coarse ground black pepper, some beef seasoning, some salt, and then I'm going to mix all of that up because it's going to go into the minced meat and breadcrumbs mixture. I will then go on to add my minced meat to my mixing bowl, and I try to mix that up very well so that at least this meatballs will be really soft on every side. And then I go in with my mixed spices from before, and now I try to get everything incorporated well because of course you want every part of this meatballs to taste good. I will also be adding some parsley flakes to this mixture, and for me it's more for the color it brings to this meatballs. And now I added some white pepper, which I forgot to add earlier, and some minced garlic, all for flavor. I will also be using 1 egg for this recipe. Now this egg is going to bind everything together, from the meat to the breadcrumb to the spices. Everything is going to keep it all together, and just 1 egg for this 1 pound of minced meat would do the trick. To partition my meatballs, I'll be making use of an ice cream scoop, and this is just to help get pretty uniform sizes for each meatball. To prevent things from getting messy, I decide to always finish this part of partitioning it before I go in with my hands to roll it into balls, so that you don't transfer the meat residue on your hands to the ice cream scoop and that ends up going everywhere. Once this part is done, I will go in with my clean hands and try to roll these out into balls. They may not be perfect, but just try to get them shaped up as nice as possible. This part is definitely optional, but for me, I'm going to sprinkle some more parsley on these meatballs. I just love the green color it brings to food, so I sprinkle some more on there before this goes into the oven. I will be baking these for 25 minutes at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And just like that, in the shortest time possible, these meatballs are ready and out of the oven, and they are soft and nice, just how you would want your meatballs to be. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try it and I hope you like it. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. See you soon.